Hi, everybody. I am Joyce Fields, and I want to tell y'all about the 11 fabulous nonfiction books, y'all, at goodshortbooks.com. 11 of them. My sister wrote one, and I wrote 10. I call us the senior sibling authors. Her name is Anita Jones, and she's 77, and my name is Joyce Fields, like I said. I'll be 82 in February. So I call us the senior sibling authors. The first book that I ever wrote is this one. And y'all bear with me because I know you can't read it, but I'm just showing you what the covers look like, okay? This one is entitled Line of Serenity. It's a memoir. It's all about the way that we were raised. I'm the oldest of 7, and we all think that our parents did a phenomenal job in raising us. There was never any sibling rivalry in our family. I adore all of my siblings, and I wanted to capture the way that our parents raised us so that the way that they did it wouldn't die out when we all died off. So this book is 167 pages, which includes 22 pages of my own recipes, and my man says that I am an incredible cook and that he lives in a 5-star restaurant. And it also has 22 pages of pictures. It's a memoir, so I have pictures of some of the people that I talk about in the book. It's 167 pages. It's $12.99 at goodshortbooks.com. The link is in my profile. The next ones, this is the memoirs category, or genre rather. The next genre is parenting. Mother's Dozen, an easy recipe for raising great kids. I had it translated into Spanish. Madre Docena, and I don't speak Spanish, so here it is. Mother's Dozen, an easy recipe for raising great kids. It's 48 pages. It's $7.99 at goodshortbooks.com. This book will guide you into raising kids that you can admire, and that's the truth. It really will. So you don't raise kids that you won't even like. So don't do that. This book will guide you into raising kids that you can admire. Then the next one is my sister's book, My 15 Dogs, a 55-year journey of love. If you love dogs, you will absolutely love her book. It's 59 pages. It's $7.99 at goodshortbooks.com. She has an absolute love for dogs. When she was born and brought home from the hospital, she was brought home to 3 older siblings and a Doberman Pinscher puppy named Duke. So that is what started her on her journey. Duke died when they were both 12 years old. So this book will make you laugh and it will make you cry. So the first dog was Duke, and then she had 14 others, okay? This will make you laugh, make you cry too. The next book is The Best Way to Keep a Man is to Let Him Go, among other things. My man and I have been together since we were both 13 years old. He turned 82 in September, and I'll turn 82 in February. So since we were 13. Now, when I was a teenager, 13, 14, 15, 1957, 58, 59, up in there, the ladies in our village, and we really did have a village, schooled us, educated us on what to say and what not to say, what to do and what not to do in relationships, y'all. And that was 1957, 58, and 59. I didn't write this book until 2008 because I was seeing so many females doing and saying things that we were told not to do and say. So this book is 64 pages. It's $9.99 at goodshortbooks.com. And that includes the same 22 recipes, 22 pages of recipes that are in Line of Serenity. So this is a relationship book as well as a cookbook. And Line of Serenity is a memoir as well as a cookbook. So I have 2 books where I have my recipes in them. The best way to keep a man is to let him go, among other things. This is good for any kind of a relationship. I was asked if it was good for same-sex relationships, and yes, it is. The next one is The Vision, telling kids that they can make the world a better place. It's 48 pages. It's $9.99 at goodshortbooks.com. If you have any kids in your circle who are not performing up to their potential, either academically or behaviorally, this is the book for them because it gives them the power to change their behavior when they decide to change it. It has 2 contracts in it, a home contract and a school contract. They read it, they sign it, and they date it, and they get witnesses to sign and date it. And then it just kind of binds them into the contract, okay? So if you have any kids who are not performing up to their potential, this is the book for them. It helps them to save face while they change their behavior. Next we have, this is fairy tales. Jet Black and Her 7 Friends. My fairy tale is nonfiction. This is Jet Black. It's 28 pages. It's $9.99 at goodshortbooks.com. And it's all about Jet Black, who is extremely tall for her age. And the kids taunt her and tease her every day. She doesn't want to go to school. So one night she goes to sleep and she gets taken on this magical journey where she is introduced to these 7 people who encourage her to continue going to school, continue her education. 28 pages, y'all, $9.99 at goodshortbooks.com. Next we have Dear Bully, a collection of poems about bullying. I wrote this book to encourage the bullied and discourage the bully. So this book is 25 poems, and I also included no words. And this is rudeness. So it's 25 poems. It's 54 pages. So to encourage the bullied and discourage the bully. The next one is My Simple Quotes to Live By. It's 90 pages. It's $7.99 at goodshortbooks.com. And it's full of 167 quotes that I coined. I coined my first quote when I was 15 years old. And that quote states, it's on page 5, states, never lose your hope and faith. And one of the very popular quotes in this book, I entered a quote contest and it won as one of 12 for a calendar out of over 5,000 entries. And that quote states, it's better to die chasing a dream never caught than to die never having chased the dream. It's a very popular quote. And I posted to social media to encourage people to chase their dreams. Okay. Next we have A Breast Cancer Journey to Greater Joy. I am a 14-year breast cancer survivor. I had surgery and radiation. I did not have chemo. And when I was going into surgery, they took my blood pressure and it was 123/53. I was as cool as a cucumber. All I wanted to do was get it out of me. That's it. I wanted to get it out. So I was very calm. So I wrote about the whole trip that I had, the breast cancer journey. It was a journey. And the subtitle is Taking the Fear and Mystery Out of a Breast Cancer Diagnosis. And that's exactly what this book does. There are 4 forwards in this book. I sent the manuscript to each of my doctors, and they gladly wrote forwards for it. Then the last one is The Limitless Golden Rule, 21 ways to use the golden rule in your life. I list 21 ways, simple ways. If we all use the golden rule, the world would be a better place. The golden rule states, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Don't do anything to anybody else that you would not want done to you. And don't say anything to anybody else that you would not want said to you. Use the golden rule. And I list 21 ways, and you can come up with other ways as well. But this is what I say. If we all, or most of us at least, would use the golden rule, the world would be a better place. This book is 43 pages, and it's $7.99 at goodshortbooks.com. All of these books make fabulous gifts for adults and kids. So order today. You will not be disappointed. You will not be dissatisfied. None of that stuff. These books will inspire you. They will delight you. They will motivate you. They will encourage you. All kinds of good stuff. Check it out. goodshortbooks.com. Order today. Thanks for listening, y'all. Bye.